Module 3, practice division of full numbers. What are the unknown digits? Each of the digits 1 through 9 has been removed once from the division problem. Use reasoning to replace those digits. Use this chart to track your work. Cross off each number as you use it. Okay, so they said something times 8 got them 48. So what would be something times 8? 6, right? So that's going to be our divisor, right? So 6 is going to be our divisor, and we used it. Okay? Then they said 6 times 8 was 48. When they subtracted the 48, they were left with 1. So what would be our first two numbers in the dividend? 49. So we put 49 here. So we got rid of the 4, and we got rid of the 9. Then they brought down a what? A 7. Okay, so drop down the 7. Okay. And then they said something times 6 got them 12. 2 times 2, so that goes up here in our quotient, right? So 17 minus 12 is 5. So they got as a difference. And then they brought down a 1, so we need to put 1 up here. Okay. And then 1 times 6 is, oh, actually they brought down the 1. Then something times, or 6 times 8 gets us 48. So we use the 8, 3 is left over, and then so 3 goes in our remainder box. Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills you will need for this module. 2-digit subtraction with regrouping. So 54 minus 35. The 4 becomes 14, and the 5 becomes a 4. 14 minus 5 is 9. 4 minus 3 is. Next one, 72 minus 48. The 2 becomes a 12. The 7 becomes a 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. And the philosophy is you go next door, take 10 more, right? Okay, and then add it to your other column. 85 minus 67. The 5 becomes 15, and the 8 becomes a 15 minus 7 is 8. 7 minus 6 is, sorry, answer is 18. Relate multiplication and division. Write the related facts for each set. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 6 times 4 equals, we can use 24 again. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. And then this time we can write it as 4 times 6 equals 24. Next one, 63 divided by 9 equals 7. 9 times 7 equals 63 divided by equals 4. We can write it as 7 times 9 equals. Okay. Next one. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 divided by 5 equals 8. And then multiply it by one-digit numbers. Find the product. 54 times 6. 6 times 4 is, carry the 2. 6 times 5 is, plus 2 is. Next one, 5 times 2 is, carry the 1. 5 times 9 is, plus 1 is. Next one, 2 times 2 is, 2 times 5 is, carry the 1. 2 times 8 is, plus 1 is. Next one, 7 times 9 is, 7 times 7 is, plus 6 is. 7 times 4 is, plus 5 is, and then come back in with my comma. Now, I didn't necessarily keep everything really good and grouped. Should you though?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, just writing with my fingering here, it makes it a little harder. But you should try and keep all your groupings together with the correct place value, right? 8 times 3 is 4, carry the 2. 8 times 8 is, plus 2 is, carry the 6. 8 times 6 is, plus 6 is, 8 times 2 is, plus 5 is, I didn't put my comma, so 21,464. 8 times 4 is, plus the 2, carry the 3. 5 times 4 is, plus 3 is, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is, plus 2 is, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is, plus 1 is, come back in, add my comma, 5,432.